Tell me, man.
My name is Letitia.
Yeah, where are we at? Where are we?
La Meridian, 54thrity.
Hey, she's sweet. Say what up, bro.
Sherry Lee, man, on Facebook and Instagram, man. There you go.
Let's go, baby. Yeah.
I think anyone with a heart and kindness and humanity would feel not okay about it.
I don't follow rules and they don't like that. I was skipping school to get my set.
Peace, love, and blessings to everybody out there. Welcome back to the channel just like that. Still in Denver. Been in Denver for the whole weekend now. Oh, let me not go here. I'm about to get hit by a fucking train. But we're still in Denver for the whole weekend, man. Right now I'm about to check out the spot, Meridian. They have a rooftop spot. I love this spot, man. Like, and I know y'all gonna love it too. But you gotta make a reservation to go in there first of all. And then they text you. They text me like 5-10 minutes ago. And they only hold your spot for 10 minutes. So I'm trying to like rake it back there before they get my spot up. But I'm gonna show y'all what the Meridian look like. And don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Don't forget, baby, just like. Hey girl.
Is that a camera?
Y'all from Colorado? Yeah. Born and raised?
Born and raised.
Nice, man. Where are they in Colorado? Denver or? Littleton. And where you from?
LiQWYD.
LiQWYD. What's up? My YouTube channel, bro. You're gonna be on YouTube.
What's your YouTube?
Just like that 11.
Just like that? Oh,
Just like that 11.
yes, sir.
What's really good, my dude?
Always.
You already know. You already. Oh, soft. Ooh. So. What's good, bro?
You gotta give me your Instagram, man.
Oh yeah? Oh yeah?
Instagram,
Just like that 1129, man. Yeah, let me see your shit.
right here. You doing a video blog?
Yeah, man. I vlog too, man.
11, you said what? There you go.
Here you go, man.
There you go.
Hold on to that,
Yep.
bro. If you want to flip it around, press this button 3 times. Flip around.
Okay. There you go. Yeah, there you go right there. What's your Instagram, bro?
Just like that. And
I know it's your, I know, so they gonna already know.
I appreciate you, bro.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yo, what's your name, bro?
Chevy Lee, man.
Chevy Lee?
Yes, sir.
Nah, respect, bro. I appreciate you, man.
Yes, sir. Chevy Lee on Instagram, Chevy Lee on Facebook. You can find me just like that.
Bro, I'm
you
follow your shit right now, man.
I'll follow you back.
Hey, much respect. Say what up,
Yes,
bro.
sir. Chevy Lee, man, on
Chevy
Facebook
Lee.
and Instagram, man. There you go.
Let's go, baby. Oh, talk more, baby. That's what I'm talking about.
Let's set something up.
We want to talk more, man. Tell me, man.
My name is Letitia.
Yeah, where are we at? Where are we?
La Meridian, 54thrity.
Hey, she's the sweetest. I love you, girl. Thank you. Thanks, buddy. All right. So, it's La Meridian. Everybody out here. Yo. does big things.
It's the, what is it called?
It's a DJI Osmo.
Oh my god.
I know they made drones. They started making drones, and they decided to make like
Is
cameras
it
like
like
this.
high resolution, high quality?
Okay. I could go 4K if I want to, but I haven't because I take a lot of space on the memory card.
Ah, okay.
Yeah, but it can flip around.
What is it called?
It's a
Sorry.
gimbal. It's a DJI Osmo. Say what's up.
DJI Osmo. Oh my god!
It flips around too.
It's so fucking good.
Say what's up. What's your name?
I'm Nauras.
Nodas?
And I am the first Iraqi you meet.
You are definitely the first Iraqi you meet. How many Jimmy Makers have you met?
Jamaicans?
Yeah.
You're the first. In real life.
What's your name again?
Nauras.
Yadi.
Nice to meet you.
Good to meet you. My hand's sweaty from holding this
All
thing
right.
all day. I'm so sorry.
Nice to
Nodas.
meet you.
So good to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
What brought you out here?
America invaded my country.
And what are you trying to do?
I'm trying to live.
Trying to live?
Yeah.
Do you love it here?
I do.
Yeah.
I do. I miss home.
Are you not happy about what happened? In America invading your country? Because I wouldn't be happy if someone came and took all that.
I mean, I think anyone.
It's kind of been the plight of black people our entire
It's
existence.
the same thing.
Like, and not entire existence, but for a lot of 400 years,
Yeah,
500
for sure.
years. Yeah.
I think anyone with a heart and kindness and humanity would feel not okay about it. Let's put it that
We don't
way.
like that shit.
No,
Fuck that shit.
no more.
Stop invading people's country.
Stay in your
Let
lane.
us live. Let us be. That's all we
Yeah.
want. We just want to be, right?
Oh
I
yeah.
just want to be happy, peaceful, and love.
Yeah,
But do you love being here?
I do.
I do too.
I'm lucky because my family's here
Yes.
and my husband
Yes.
is here, and there's no bombs.
No.
So I'm happy.
You happy about that?
Yeah.
I'm happy about that too.
Wouldn't you be happy about
I'm fucking
that?
happy about that. I'm from Jamaica, so no bombs been dropped, but it's still fucking harsh.
I need to learn about the history of your country. I really don't know anything about it.
Yeah? No? Why not? You never like what countries do you love? Like what countries resonate with you like that you want to go to?
It's very difficult because when you're wrapped up in your own problems, it's very difficult to
See
notice.
outside. True indeed.
So
True
that
indeed.
doesn't mean that I don't love Jamaica. It just means that, I lived through a lot for me to acknowledge or see other people's problems or other countries' problems. But they exist.
So
and I
basically
wanna
you're
learn.
saying you don't want to be so blind or ignorant.
Nope.
to the- And that's I wish everyone could be like that.
Yeah, I want to learn.
Yeah. Nadia?
Notice.
Notice. It's so good to meet you, bro.
Nice to meet you.
Thanks for talking to my camera.
Of course.
Yeah, this is going on my YouTube channel.
Oh, I love it.
One more time.
Ask him the same question.
What's your name? My name is Yadi. What's your name? man?
Assam.
Yes. It's good to
Yadi.
meet you, man.
That's a cool
Yadi.
name, man.
I'm from Jamaica.
Jamaica.
Yeah, I'm from Jamaica. And she would tell me you guys were from Iraq. Are from Iraq. Yeah. And she was basically talking about like the invasion and everything that happened as far as America go. But then I was mostly saying like what we both want is like to not be oppressed. Well, everyone in the world wants to not be oppressed and be down by another systematic.
So my country was colonized by different empires for the past 500 years.
Okay.
Initially it was the Ottoman Empire from Turkey,
Yes.
and then the English. Same with the other. They occupied my country in the 1917, I believe.
Okay.
Right after the First World War.
Okay.
They defeated the Turks, so they took over, right? They didn't claim the country as part of their colonies, but they had a mandate on it. So from there, modern history, nothing changed. Basically, another form of colonialism, in which they establish a government that's in a way loyal to their interests
Only.
internally, but externally they would demonstrate that they're against the colonizers, But still, they're
So
still using.
basically, you're putting the money in my pocket, but I'm not gonna let them know what's really going on.
What's the currency you're using to sell your products? Your natural resources. The white man currency.
No, 100%. No, 100%, bro.
So-
well, like, no, go ahead. Keep talking. I'm in the country.
So that was the past 100 years. It was initially the English, then we kind of gained independence, only for them to come back.
Come back and just snatch it again.
Yeah, 2003 they came back again. OIF, which was Operation Iraqi Freedom. I believed in it. I really did. But even Bush doesn't believe it anymore.
Who?
Bush, George Bush.
He doesn't believe in shit.
Dude, I've seen a video recently.
He doesn't believe in shit, bro.
I've seen a video recently of him, and he was trying to condemn the war against Ukraine. By the way, I lived in Ukraine for 6 years.
Oh, really?
Yeah, right before the second revolution that they had.
Okay.
Anyways, so he was trying to say, I think this is exactly what he said. We're against this savage, inhumane, brutal war against Iraq. I mean Ukraine.
But, yeah.
Iraq too.
Yeah.
Guys, give me a break. I'm
Yeah.
70-something.
He doesn't.
So his
he doesn't
truth came out. He
understand.
knew that war was unjustified.
Yeah. But it slipped. He kind of
not
slipped the
hundreds of
tongue, you know.
Exactly.
Slipped the tongue.
He knew he did.
But it's kind of like you know about Haile Selassie? Haile Selassie from Ethiopia.
Yeah, Ethiopia.
Yeah. So you know he was during that time he was in Bath, England.
Yeah.
Well, the Second World War, like before it started, he was in Bath, England, because he was exiled from his country because Mussolini came and invaded it for the third time. He tried
They put a
twice
good fight
before,
there. They put a good
and his
fight, though.
father beat him, and his grandfather beat him with spears and swords, and they came out the third time and actually won. But he spoke at the UN. So you ever heard of the song from Bob Marley?
Which one?
I can't read
I love Bob Marley.
like
I know most of his songs.
the name of the song is not coming to my mind right now, but he
lyrics.
says until oh my god, I can't believe I'm drawing a blank right now. But it was basically Haile Selassie's speech that he spit at the UN. He spoke to them saying that, yo, you're not accepting what you said you would accept as being allies, and because I'm in exile for my country and you're not looking out for me.
Well, that's why they
Basically,
got killed.
yeah.
Selassie was killed by his own people. Basically.
Yeah, no, basically
that's
no.
bullshit.
That's what happens though. It happened to Malcolm X.
It happened to Malcolm X.
It happened to Malcolm by his own fucking
They just
people.
showed like some people like were against his point of views and they killed him. You know, I think.
Well, that's all it was.
John
though.
Lennon.
Well,
That message was strong.
well, it
Got
happened.
him killed.
It happened to fucking Kennedy too.
Exactly. So at the end of the
If
day,
you're going like way this way, they're like, nah, fuck that, we gotta get rid of this person.
you know, there's
You know what
something
I mean?
consistent with empires. They rise, they dominate, they brutalize,
Yes,
but they fall.
they fall. Eventually, they all fall.
They all do.
Nothing lives forever. Not even a relationship. Not even nothing lives forever. Like just like us. Like I was just telling my friend earlier, like bro, he's like, yo, there's no time. I was like, I mean, time is not.
You ever get a group that you like that goes
It's relative, you know what I mean? But just like we're not like actually like humans, we're just an energy form in a body. He's like, why you going there? I'm like, because that's how I think
Come
of
to
things.
realize that we're basically energy forms. What got you to understand that?
Rastafari. Rasta is about mythism, like the land, like
How old were you?
everything else. I'm 38.
Now, how old were you when you discovered that?
So Rasta's always been around my life. I can say when I was more conscious of that, I was like 16, 17.
So you came to the realization that we're just
Here, just floating around and bouncing around and just like trying to figure some shit out. What up? What's going on, people? I just left Meridian. It was pretty cool. I met a lot of good people in there. Had a lot of good conversations, man. I met a pretty big YouTuber too. It was pretty cool. Her and her husband, they're fucking awesome, man. I might need to get some more food, just like.
I don't follow rules and they don't